Happy Monday, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Ryan Aarons, your host, and this is Galway Marble and Granite. Thank you guys for tuning in with us. I hope you had a great weekend. Now it's back to business, back to work. Get that list out and ready. So we're getting those boxes checked, getting some things done today because it's all about growth. And so I'm going to show you at the end of this video exactly what the guys are doing in the back for fabrication and what we have on the table. And you're going to see what we got coming up next. All right. Thank you guys for checking in. Make sure we're checking those boxes. Please go ahead and comment down below what goals and what things you're trying to accomplish this week. And I'd love to share them and see if I can even add some of your goals onto my list. If they sound good enough as a task, and if it's something that I would like to achieve, I'll throw it on this week's list. All right. Thank you. And let's go ahead and see what the guys are up to.